an alarming rise in the numbers of COVID cases in India. India has recorded a single-day spike of 90,632 new cases in just 24 hours.
India recorded its highest single-day spike with 90,632 cases in the last 24 hours, as it inches towards being the second worst affected country in the world. Brazil, which currently holds the second position, has 41,23,000 total cases, and India is behind by only 9,000 cases. The government's strategy is to now focus on the worst affected states. 2 central government teams have been rushed today to Punjab and Chandigarh. Punjab's death rate is 2.9%, higher than the national average of 1.7%. In the past 1 month, Punjab's total cases have risen by 234%, from nearly 16,000 cases on 31st July to over 54,000 cases on 31st August. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka have been directed to increase testing and make hospitalization more efficient. These 3 states account for over 49% of all active cases and more than 57% of all COVID deaths. Punjab Health Secretary Hassan Lal today said the 2-member team consists of a doctor from PGI Chandigarh and an epidemiologist from the National Centre for Disease Control, New Delhi. In rural areas, the negative propaganda against testing affected the sampling, which went down to 18,000 to 19,000. But we have countered it, and in the last couple of days, sampling has crossed 20,000. We will increase it to 30,000 in the coming days. Maharashtra recorded its highest daily spike with 20,801 new cases. In Pune, the worst affected district of the country with over 57,000 active cases, NCP chief Sharad Pawar has been meeting officials for over 3 days. He said that he was alarmed that 25% people are not wearing face masks. He also said, in view of the increasing number of coronavirus patients, segregation facilities should be made available in new buildings. Ambulances equipped with various facilities, including oxygen, should be made available on time and immediately if required. While cases continue to rise, India also recorded its highest recoveries in a single day with 73,642 recoveries. This is the second consecutive day that over 70,000 recoveries were recorded within a span of 24 hours. With Mohammad Ghazali in Punjab and Purva Chitnis in Mumbai, in New Delhi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.